Hi, welcome to our channel.
Today we are going to be drawing Belle in a green dress.
So because we're a new channel, we will be giving away a pack of 40 premium Ohuhu alcohol markers and a pigment liner pen to go with it to one of our first 1,000 subscribers. All you need to do is like this video, press the subscribe button, and you will be automatically entered to win.
So subscribe to be our lucky winner.
To begin, you will need a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, a permanent black marker, and colored markers, 2 shades of green, red, beige, and brown. I'll be using the Ohuhu alcohol markers today, along with a pigment liner pen. You'll start by drawing a very light pencil line down the middle of your page. For the rest of this video, I'll be using my black marker, and my drawing buddy will use her pencil and go over her pencil lines with a black marker at the end. This is a good tip. I'm going to start by drawing Belle's face. So I'll draw a U shape as evenly as I can on that middle pencil guide. Next, I'll draw a C shape and a backward C shape, touching Belle's face. Those will be her ears. Next, I'll tackle her bangs. I'll draw a small line above her forehead and 2 curved lines coming down to touch her face. Then I'll draw a line curving up and around her ear, connecting to her face. Those lines complete her bangs. Next, I'll draw the crown of her head, connecting from just above her face on both sides. And I'll just draw a curved shape on top. Next, I'll draw Belle's neck, drawing 2 straight lines evenly on the pencil guide. I'm going to draw Belle's puff sleeves next. And as you can see, those sleeves are just a bit beyond her ears. So I'll draw 2 upside down U shapes below her neck and just beyond her ears. Once those are in place, we'll draw the ruffles at the bottom of her puff sleeves. 3 ruffles on each side. I'm starting by drawing a larger middle ruffle and two little ones beside the middle ruffle. But you can also make it simpler by just drawing 3 ruffles. And then I'll connect the bottom of her neck to those ruffled sleeves. Now I'll find where her hair touches her face and draw an S shape followed by a flattened circle on both sides so that it looks like she's wearing a bow. And to show a bit of a ponytail in her hair, I'll draw a curved line from the middle of the bottom of the bow down to the line between her neck and her shoulders. Just a curved line on both sides. Then I'll imagine where Belle's belly button is and draw a dot right there. From that dot, I'm going to draw 2 leaves with a little vein in the middle of the leaves. Then I'll find the middle of Belle's chest and draw a flattened spiral in that spot, which will make the top of the rose. And we'll draw a little U-shaped cup underneath that spiral to finish the rose off. It's a very simple method, but works very well. And we'll draw a nice long stem from the bottom of the rose through the leaves. Now I'll try to get her elbow placement just right by drawing 2 dots down from her outer shoulder and in line with that belly button point on both sides. So it should be about as far out as her shoulders and as far down as the leaves. And I'll draw 2 lines coming down from her outer shoulders to that point. Then I'll draw the bottom part of her arm by angling down toward the stem and curling just as I get to the stem. This will make it look like her hands are clasped around the stem. Hands are a bit tricky to draw, so this is a simple way. I'll draw 2 lines coming down from the inner ruffle and connect those 2 lines down to the leaves of the rose. And with that, we've finished her arms, and she looks like she's holding onto a rose in front of her. Now we'll draw her waist. So from her inner ruffle, we'll draw a diagonal line down to the rose leaf, angling down on both sides. And we'll draw her little V-shaped belt. By drawing 2 angled lines that meet right on the rose stem. Then we'll draw the trim of her sleeves right above her wrists, and finish off the neckline of her dress by drawing 2 straight lines connecting her ruffle sleeves. Great, we finished the top of her dress. Now we'll draw the skirt. So we want the skirt to bow out farther than her ruffled sleeves. And that middle pencil guide will really help us to keep it even on both sides. I could have made mine a little fluffier here, but you get the idea. And at the bottom of her dress, we won't draw a straight line, but we'll draw a bowed out line. This will also help the skirt look fluffier. And we'll follow that same line so we can add some trim to her dress. Then on either side of the pencil guide, we'll draw 2 softened V shapes. Those are her little shoes peeking out underneath the skirt of her dress. Now we'll move on to her face, and we'll draw her nose just in line with the bottom of her ears, and that middle pencil guide will help us get it just centered. And I just drew a small horizontal line there. Now halfway between her nose and her chin, I'll draw a little bit of a longer horizontal line. On top, I'll draw an M shape. It's kind of like a spread out M. And on the bottom, I'll draw a U shape. Great. Okay, now the tricky part, her eyes. So what we'll do is we'll draw a small circle between the pencil guide and her ear on both sides. And we want them to be right about the same height as her ears are. And we'll fill those in halfway. Only halfway because we want them to look like there's a catchlight in them. Then we'll draw another circle around that circle we just drew. When we color it in, that will be the brown part of her eye. It looks funny now, but it will really come together in a few minutes. Okay, next we'll draw a small line under the outer circle on both sides. Okay. And a long line that flicks up at the end on the upper part of that circle. Next, we'll connect the bottom line to the top of the circle on the inside, and we'll connect the bottom line to that top line on the outer part of her eye. So it should look like that. But what you'll notice is that she still needs a few more eyelashes, so we can do 1 or 2 more flicks. And what will complete the look are 2 soft upside down U eyebrows. And that's it. We've completed our Belle in a green dress. Now at this point, we'd like to take a moment to invite you to send your artwork to us so that we can show it in future videos. All you need to do is ask an adult to take a picture of your art on their phone, and they can send it to KidsCreateFanArt@gmail.com. In this way, we can grow our community of creative kids and encourage one another to keep creating.